Okay, so we're now ready to move on to the next canapé, and that is going to be smoked salmon toast. Oh. And I've even pushed the boat out. There's going to be a little bit of caviar on the top of these.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, can't wait.
Yeah.
So, let's crack on. Okay, we're 3 in. Here she comes. So, this is the smoked salmon one. Again, little, I picked these up, little, what do they call them? Crisp breads. So, I do this on these, or actually if you go to somewhere like Waitrose, they do really nice little, they're like little tartlet cases. I can't describe, I don't know, Rams is the company. No, they're pretty crispy, but they're little cups. They're only like that size, and then they're little cups, and I fill them up with the mixture.
Oh, okay.
But because our next 2 recipes are going to use these, it's great. So we're not going to waste, you know what I mean, stuff. The next two recipes, we'll use these, yeah? Here, just some smoked salmon. Got some soft cheese, so Philly, or as we've gone for, the own brand. Going to use some of our lemon that we used on the last recipe on our prawn cups, and some mock caviar. Nice. That is all you are going to need. Okay, so what we're going to do is start by making our salmon sort of cheesy mix, yeah? Okay. So we're going to open this up, if I can get into it.
Get this bad boy open.
Yeah, get that open as well. And I want really sort of half of that in that bowl there.
Okay.
Oh, you're quicker than I am. I can't get into this.
About half, say,
yeah? Yeah, about half. Okay. Yeah, that'd be plenty.
Cool.
Oh, I think I've got it. Have I? Yes. No. That's terrible.
Well, I'm nearly done.
Yeah, it's really nice this as well if you don't have it with salmon. Really tasty. Oh, this is a joke. Can't get in.
Do you want me to do it?
Yes, please.
Okay. Right, hang on. There's your rough.
Oh, no, I'm in. Okay, so with this, there you go. Just get a slice or 2. Okay, so with one of these, so with that one, it's 1 slice, just sort of finely chop it up.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yep.
And then once you've done that, we'll have another one. Get you a decent one. It's the problem sometimes with these salmon. You get they give you all the rubbishy little bits that are left over, like the cleaning up time or something. The second one is just going to be into sort of like little strips, yeah?
Okay.
If that makes sense. Yep. Okay, get rid of that.
So you want me to kind of cube this?
Yeah, just cube it up, yeah.
Because I've kind of got a bit of that in a bit of cloth or something.
Yeah, sure. Hold on, let me...
Make it right all next to the salmon here.
There you go.
The creme cheese, thank you.
That's right.
There you go, that'd be better. There you go, that'll work.
That might help. Let's have a sniff of this stuff.
Oh. Good?
Yeah, it doesn't smell. Doesn't smell that fishy actually.
No, it's not that bad.
Let's put that there. Let's open up these. Let's see what we've got in the pack. And hopefully, what it said on the front. They're really good. Nice and herby.
Nice.
I haven't eaten anything since I've been filming. Normally I've tried something by now. Very good.
There you go. So those bits are all... Do I need to add that into that?
Yep, that can go in there.
Right.
I'll tell you what, we'll switch over.
Yep.
There you go, you come around that side, because then...
Okay, take this with me.
Yep, take that with you. And then I'll
mix this together?
Yeah, I'll take that one from you and I'll start slicing this up. You want to mix that up?
Yep.
And put a little bit of black pepper in there.
Okay.
You guys quite like salmon, don't you? I think.
Love salmon.
Yeah.
Of all the fish, it's my favourite. Yeah, both our favourites. Absolutely. Love it.
Like smoked salmon, or do you like fresh salmon, or you're not fussed?
Both, to be honest, yeah. We're having a salad, maybe a nice bit of smoked salmon. If it's scrambled egg on toast, nice bit of smoked salmon. You know, however it comes, to be honest, it's a lovely fish. Cooked well, it's a lovely, lovely tasting fish. Definitely. Fresher the better.
Well, yeah, exactly.
There you go.
Okay, perfect. There's, I just need the zest from that in there also.
Okay.
Give it that zinginess. Just yeah, as much as you. Okay. Again, you don't have to do that. I think it is a nice.
Just a heart desires.
Yeah, exactly. Whatever your taste buds, we'll just do that. I think we'll make 4 of these up, won't we? Probably. That's it.
Right.
Perfect.
Get a few of those little bits off.
There you go, I'll take that for you. And then some of your... Did you put the black pepper in already?
I put some black
Oh,
pepper
okay,
in
fine.
already, yeah.
Okay.
Was I not supposed to?
No, 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 you've done exactly the right thing.
Do you want me to put juice in there as well?
Yeah, sure, a little bit of juice, be
Just a tiny
perfect. Yeah, just a little squeeze of it. Lovely.
Okay.
And then give that a little
Nice
mix
stir,
in.
look at that.
Yep. And then over here, I've got my makeshift piping bag. Ooh. Although I think I've cut the hole a little bit too big, but we'll give it a go. Again, you could spoon this on, guys. You know, obviously that would be the easiest way, but you know, I thought, why not? I'll make things difficult.
Why not?
Yeah. Okay, so if you're spooning it on, I suppose it's pretty self-explanatory. Shall I do the bag or not? What do you reckon?
Yeah, go on.
Do you think it needs it?
I want to see how big this hole is.
Okay.
I want to see if it's a disaster or not.
Sorry. Okay. Okay, so just spoon this, actually, make life easy for myself. Get it as far down there as I can, yeah? And put it into
That's
your...
a good idea. I think I wouldn't have thought of using a bag like that to...
Well, not many people own a piping bag, I suppose, unless you, do you know what I mean, make lots of cakes and stuff. But
True.
I think we have got one somewhere at the bottom of a drawer, but yeah. That tastes good. Well done, mate. Fair enough. Okay, so let's get, what should we do? 4 or 5, 6? Just grab some of those out. Actually, probably be easier if we bring over...
Ooh.
It's how many we can fit on here, to be fair, because we've still got another one to go.
2,
And where's my...
4, 5,
There it is.
6, 7...
No, no. Oh, yeah.
Let's keep going now.
Yeah. That's all right, because we can use some for the next dish.
Let's go for
Yeah,
6.
yeah, that's fine, because we can use them.
Six.
We can use them.
Okay.
So just, again, all I've done is snipped off a corner, yeah?
Yeah, we need
It's
to
not
play
rocket
Scottish
science, is
music
it?
while you're doing
Yeah.
this.
I thought you were going to wear a kilt.
Well, I mean, it's a bit cold. Otherwise, I would have done.
And then just...
Oh, nice.
What's nice about it is it sort of looks, he says, quite... Probably need my knife, actually. That will help. It looks quite nice and uniformed, yeah?
Yeah, it does, yeah.
Which I think...
Yeah, good.
Again, next one. Next one, he says, doing this at a bit of a weird angle. And then...
Yeah, it's kind of a mess-free way of doing it, isn't it? And
Yeah,
very
just...
quick as well.
Yeah, and you can push down
Yeah, love
and
it.
up.
Spot on.
That's it. Okay, that one not so neat, but that's fine. Okay, you get the idea.
Yeah.
Then grab some more of your smoked salmon.
Nice.
And we're just sort of framing it, as it were. A bit there. As best you can. You know, it's not...
Like a winter scarf.
It is like a winter scarf. It's quite pretty, actually.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, I think that was quite a long piece. Okay, next one. Oh, this one's bits. That's okay. Use it all up.
What I like about this, there's lovely colours going on here. I know it's quite pink, but I quite like it.
Yeah,
You know
yeah.
what I mean?
And who doesn't like
Who
pink?
doesn't like pink? Only a real man can
Yeah,
wear pink.
exactly.
But no, you've got the greens, you've got the pink, you've got the white, you've got the red, the yellow. It's nice. Really
Okay.
nice.
And then that final flourish, we're going to go in with some of that.
There we go.
Again, look, not everyone's going to like the old caviar. I think, you know, it's quite an acquired taste. I particularly like it, especially if it stays in the middle.
It's like you said though, with this particular one, it doesn't smell particularly fishy. So I imagine it's quite a mellow one to eat.
Yeah,
Out, I suppose.
yeah. I mean, it's not, you know, obviously, I mean, it's not your beluga caviar, but
What?
it's.
It's not.
Yeah, I know. Sorry. The channel couldn't quite stretch to beluga. I'm not sure that's my knife. Let's get rid of that. Don't like that, but and let's not waste it. We'll put it on there, and then just finish those off with a little
Look at that.
bit of lemon, which I've just sliced up.
Presentation is everything, as they say.
You eat with your eyes. Eat with your eyes. I just need a little bit more. Thin little slice. Make sure you get the pips out.
Yeah, definitely.
That's it.
Looking good.
There we go.
Look at that.
That is our third canapé made.
Cha-ching.
Happy with those?
Yeah, looking good.
Okay, so why don't we move on to our final one of the day, which is our smoked mackerel pate.
Ooh,
Also going to be served on those little toasts.
nice.